After becoming parent, you will have to learn many things before you teach them to your child, and there is no harm in this. Almost all parents tell stories to their children. If you don't, you should. Just by using storybooks and telling stories in an effective way, I have taught so many things to my daughter. She is 9 now and she independently carries out her own studies without my help. She writes her own stories, paragraphs on various topics. Also, I have developed her interest in stories at very early age. So I do not face those challenges which most of the parents face, that is, children spending so much of time on mobile or laptop. So in today's video, I am going to share some tips for storytelling so that you can improve your child's memory power, listening skills, concentration power, and you can keep strong academic base for them. I have divided this video in two parts. First, for children below 6 years, and second for elementary school kids, that is above 6 years. So before I begin, do subscribe to my channel. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on parenting, English lessons, work from home ideas, personality development, and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. Let me talk about children below 6 years first. First, sit somewhere where there is least disturbance. Make your child sit on your lap and close to you. If you want to gain their interest, if you want to gain their attention, if you want to develop their interest in stories, this first step is extremely important. Let your child choose storybook. Prefer book with lot of pictures. I recommend you to go with the conventional method. Do not use mobile or laptops for storytelling. When you read story to them, place your finger on each and every word. These small children have got tremendous capacity of a tremendous grasping power. So if you read the story to them every day, in few days they will start recognizing words like for, and of, and this will help in improving their reading habits. Don't be serious and boring storyteller. Use your hand movements, expressions, tone to make it more interesting and fun. If you do not know how to tell a story, first learn it. After becoming parent, you will have to learn many things before you teach them to your child, and there is no harm in this. Ask questions. Let me give you an example here. Say you are telling a story to your child in which there are two friends who fought over something and they got angry with each other. Now ask your child if he would have been in their place, what he would do. He may say that he would say sorry, or he would wait for his friend to come and say sorry. Trust me, answer to this question can actually help you exploring your child's personality, and you can actually mold your child's personality up to a large extent. Give your child opportunity to narrate the same story to you in his own words and in his own way. I strongly recommend Panchatantra tales for small children. So before I move ahead and talk about the children above 6 years, I have something important to tell you all. Unacademy is offering a very reasonable package in just rupees 2,500 for 9th and 10th Maharashtra board students for all 6 subjects. You can get additional 10% discount here if you use my code, which is given in the description. There will be live lectures. You can learn in Hindi, Marathi and English language. There will be quizzes and you can get access to past year papers. There will be live one-to-one doubt session also. So you just pay, if you do maths, you just pay 375 rupees per subject, which I think is quite reasonable. You can take subscription for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So the more the number of months, lesser you end up paying. So go and grab this offer. Talking about children above 6 years. Tip number 1 goes to this age also. Bedtime is the perfect time for storytelling. Coming to tip number 2. Now, not every kid will be interested in stories and storytelling, especially if you haven't done it at early age. So initially, you will have to read the story to them. You can do it like this. You can read one page and then have them read another page, or you can read one paragraph and have them read another paragraph. So initially, this is how you're going to develop their interest. While reading a story to this age children, when you reach to a certain turning point, ask them what they think should happen next. This fosters their imagination, and this way you will be able to put a strong base for academics for them. Once you finish the story, ask them some easy questions like who was clever in the story, who wore red dress, something like this related to the story. Tip number 5 is not for children. Tip number 5 is for parents. If you think you buy some storybooks and put it in the shelves and they are going to take it and read it, this is not gonna happen. So you have to be with them, you have to develop their interest. Once they read story, they might want to tell you what happened in the story. So you will have to show them that yes, you are interested in listening. So that is how you're going to inculcate reading habits in your children, which has tremendous benefits. So that's it for today. If you like the video, do let me know in the comment box. If you're new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching me.